One step for Python powerful tricks. Today is day 4 of our series 30 Python tricks in 30 days. And today's trick is one of the most elegant and powerful tools Python offers. Lambda functions. Teeny anonymous functions that pack a punch. Let's dive into what they are, how to use them efficiently. Let's discuss about what is a function doubles number. For suppose we can use def double consider as x, and we can return x star 2, like you can give spaces here, then print and we get double 4, and you can see the output here like 8. This is the fine, but what if you need quick function like this only once, maybe as an argument to map or filter? Writing a full function each time can be overkill. That's where lambda comes on. Let's discuss about lambda. A lambda function is a mini function without a name. Here's how you can do the same double function in one line. But suppose we can use double equal to lambda x star x star into 2, and we can print double of 4, and you can see the output here. We get syntax error, 1 second. Sorry, here we can give colon not star. Here we get 8. Simple and elegant.